Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I will show you how to create objects in R. Okay, so object means whatever you want to create some kind of variable, and if you want to store it, that is called a object. Okay, and it is create the I will show you the best way to create. So basically, say for example, first I will tell you how to comment in the R. So this is the R window and this is a coding panel. Okay, so here I will use a hash key. So in R, if you press hash and type anything, so it will ignore the all texts. It will read all as a text in a same line. Okay, so say for example, object creation. Okay, so this is called a comment. Okay, now I want to create object. Okay, so I will do, I will say pin less than arrow, or you can say left side arrow is equal to 1 gem 10 and then control enter. Okay, now if you type pin, you will get the values here in this control console window. You can see the value 1 to 10 is printed. So this is my object. What it means, it means that whatever is there in the right hand side, okay, the output will be stored in pin object. So this is called a pin object. So and if you enter, if you hit control plus enter, then it will show you the output in this console window. Now for your reference, I will also show you some interesting fact here. This is called the environment windows. Okay, so here you can also see that this pin object is stored and its value is 1 to 10 and it is stored in list. Okay, so in square bracket 1 gem 10, that means from 1 to 10. Okay, so this is called the object creation. Okay, now you can also do some experiment called 1 plus 1. You will see the answer 2. Okay, this is called the operators. Okay, 1 divided by 5.2. So these are the operators which you can say, you can create it. Basically, say for example, I have to find the area of the circle. Okay, so we all knows that the area of circle is pi r square. Okay, pi into r, pi r square. Okay, so this is my formula. Now what I will do to get my area of this circle, first I need to define radius. Okay, so r is my radius, so I will create an object called r and say it is 6 mm. Okay, and I will give control enter. So here you can see r is printed, r is saved as a 6. Now area of circle is equal to you can also use is equal to, but for the better sake I will only use left arrow. Okay, now I know the value of pi is 3.14 multiply by, in bracket, what I will do, I will use r and this is called cap and 2. Now I will give control enter and I will check what is the output of area. What you can do, you can just type few words. Okay, so you will get the selection, you will get the suggestion area of circle. Now I will enter and here I will see, I can see like the answer is 113.04. Okay, so what it calculated, it has calculated the area. R we have already defined, 3.14 is a pi constant and ask where, and that value is stored in the object area circle. So I have given the print in bracket area of circle. Okay, so it is showing me 1110. So this is the basic object creation in R. If you have any question, feel free to ask. Thank you very much for watching this video.